What's good, y'all? We is snowed in. I was trying to figure out what type of content can I put out. So I'm about to go shovel some snow. But yeah, we snowed in, y'all. All this snow. That's crazy. I'm about to go shovel this shit though. Everybody else out here getting active. A couple people got stuck earlier. Man, look at all this snow. I can't even open the door. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. So yeah, I'm about to throw on my little gear. I'm still in my pajamas. I'm about to throw on my snow gear and get to it. Bro, I was supposed to buy a freaking snowblower thing. What is it? A snowblower. But everybody like, oh, that's a waste of money. You ain't even got that much stuff. Now look at this stuff. I could have been done in like 30 minutes. This about to take like an hour and a half, 2 hours. Salty. But I'll tune back in with y'all when I get dressed and get outside. I'm dressed. I had to be quiet earlier, you know, because Chelsea and them sleep, so I didn't want to make a lot of noise. But I'm in the back room. You know, I'm geared up. Ready to shovel some snow. But this man's dirty as freak. Damn, I'd have had this motherfucker since high school. I'm gonna pop outside, search the cars for some gloves, and then it's time to start, baby. You know? Purr. Oh! My cousin hit it on my boots. Get y'all a pair of these ends, man. It's not even cold out here. It's not that cold out here. I probably do need some gloves, though, but it ain't super cold. It's just hella snow. Like, damn. I ain't gonna lie, the camera looked crazy. It looked good. I think later on we're gonna come out here and throw Nova in the snow. Damn, look at my lawnmower. I left my lawnmower outside over the over the winter, y'all. But right now, I'm about to search for some gloves. And one of these cars, it gotta be. But man, look at this shit. This shit crazy. It's too much snow. I don't even feel like shoveling this shit. But y'all see all of this shit? I'm gonna record. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like after I'm done. But yeah, I'm about to search for these gloves, and I'll get back up with y'all in a minute. Purr.
It is now.
Not even a heart.
Put your hands behind it and cover it up. Both of them. No, you can't see it at all. What are you doing?
Y'all come help.
Huh?
Y'all come help.
I don't got nothing I can put on her. We need to buy our snowsuit. By the time we buy our snowsuit, it's gonna be done and snowing.
Let me see.
catch a breeze.
I'm almost done. This is as far as I got. It's been like an hour and a half. But no cap, this driveway is some shit. It's probably the worst part. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't had to shovel like this since probably like 2004. Alright, cause why didn't I know I had this fat booger? It ain't even fat, but it's still there. Why didn't I know I had that booger right there? When it was like a big ass snowstorm. That was my last time shoveling like this. But I done made progress. But best believe next time, I'm gonna be prepared. I'm gonna get me a fucking snowblower. I ain't even about to play. I am not about to play. I still got this long sidewalk right here. And then I'm done. I'll probably put some salt down. Probably go over a little bit, like the top. And then I'm finished, bro. This shit, I ain't gonna lie. We need some little niggas in the neighborhood that shovel snow. Shit, I would've paid them little niggas. This is crazy. Chelsea's door is like frozen shut, like it's icy. Can't even open. Look at that. That's crazy. Damn. Yeah, man. I ain't gonna lie. I always wanted to do a snow vlog or record in the snow, cause it be so bright. It be hella bright outside. Like when I go back in the house, my eyes gonna have to adjust. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm almost finished, y'all. No thanks to Chelsea. I should bring her out here and throw her in the snow. Would y'all like to see that? Tell me. All right, I'm gonna post this. I'm gonna edit this later on and post it. Tell me if y'all would like for me to bring Chelsea outside and throw her in the snow. Comment below. Comment below. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't, you will later on. I'm telling you that. Period. Hey, so school didn't completely fail me. Remember I said Chelsea door was completely frozen? I threw some salt in the cracks, you know, sprinkled a little salt in the cracks or whatever. The salt stuck to the ice and it started melting in like, I want to say probably 5-10 minutes. I came back to check on it. That ice was melting, baby. You know, so if you ever need to defrost, what is it? Defrost? If you ever need to thaw. If you ever need to thaw something out, just throw some salt on there. If your door's stuck, if your lock stuck or whatever, throw some salt in there. Come back in the next 5-10 minutes. It'll be done. Yeah. You know? Got Chelsea's car started, heated up a little bit. What's up, Stankin'? They were scared to come outside with me, you feel me? But it's cool. I'm gonna throw them in the snow. I'm gonna throw them, and as a matter of fact, I'm gonna bring the snow to them. It's cold. Cold, ain't it, Stankin'?
You wanna do a snow angel? Let's see if she do it. We got to go in after this because she gonna be cold.
Hold on, don't do it so early.
What you wanna do?
I should have put my gloves on and threw a snowball at her. She's like, what the fuck? Like, what, nigga?
It's just water.
Cold. Go ahead, make her do a snow angel.
You ready? Let's see if she do it.
Her booty crack gonna be hot. Cold as that.
She on two shirts and
Okay,
stuff.
good. Look at the little snow angel stinking.
You go.
I don't know if y'all can see her little snow angel.
Come on, you ready to go in?
Look at Nova's little snow angel.
Did you see her face when I dropped her?
Stinking.
Look.
Look at the snow angel. It's cold. It's freezing. It wasn't as cold earlier.
You ready to get out these wet pants?